this is cervical, ठीक है. I am turning the specimen, and this is the thoracic, where the thoracic cage is there. So the vertebrae is on the back side. Moving the skeleton, just this way, right? 12 pair of ribs or 12 pair of the vertebrae. So I am writing thoracic 12. Then come to this region, this region, abdomen region, where there is no ribs. So this region is called sacrum. This is sacrum. This is called lumbar. So third is lumbar. In lumbar we have 5, 0, 5. Then next move to the. This is the vertebral column. This is the start of the vertebral column, and this is the terminal end of the vertebral column. At the terminal end of the vertebral column, there is a fused vertebrae. Sacrum, S-A-C-R-U-M, and this is the, in adult it is fused, and it is a fusion of 5 sacral vertebrae. Then I can tell each vertebrae is separated. At the end of the sacrum, at the end, there is again the fusion of 3 or 4 vertebrae, which is called as coccygeal. Right? And this sacrum is fused in adult. It means it is separated in child. So I am taking all these vertebrae separately. I am writing neck, cervical, sacrum. So I am taking the cervical vertebrae. This is the first cervical vertebrae, right? The first cervical vertebrae is called as atlas. Come to the main structure of the vertebrae. This is the canal called as neural canal, where the spinal cord passes, right? And these are the surrounding processes. Neural arc. This bone structure is called neural arc, A-R-C-H. And these two lateral projections, right, which is called as transverse process. V-E-R-S-E, P for transfer process. And these transfer processes in each vertebral column, they are attachment for muscles and ligament. And this is at the base, which is not developed in the atlas, is called as centrum. So first vertebrae, this is neural canal, transfer process, lateral process. It has holes, right? And this is called foramen, F-O-R-A-M-E-N. Foramen for the passage of artery. And each vertebrae is attached with anterior side and posterior side. Anterior side attachment is called anterior attachment process or pre-zygapophysis. Posterior side attachment is called post-zygapophysis or posterior articulation process, because it is the first. So this is the anterior articulation process. The neural spine pointed backward. See the attachment? Neural spine is this way of attachment, right? So anterior pre-zygapophysis is articulated with the occipital condyle of the skull, and from the post it articulates with the second cervical, which is called as this one, atlas, axis. I am writing second one is axis. See the structure. This is atlas and this is axis. Neural canal, neural arc, lateral projection transverse process, right? Having the foramen, and for the first time neural spine is one developed. And in case of neck, cervical, this neural spine is bifid, divided into two. Bifid neural spine. So I am writing the neural S for spine is bifid. Bifid means divided. Bifid. Now the centrum develop. Centrum is the main part of the vertebrae, right? And this centrum provides the support to the vertebral column. It bears the body weight. And also it helps in the attachment of the muscles and ligament. This is axis second. In case of axis, there is projection, this one. And this projection is called as bony projection, odontoid, T-O-I-D process. And this odontoid process is joined with the atlas by hinge joint. This way, by hinge joint, so that the vertebrae doesn't fall back. Okay? Doesn't fall back. Up come to the articulation. Its pre-zygapophysis articulate with the post-zygapophysis of what? Post-zygapophysis of the first vertebrate, that is atlas. And its post-zygapophysis articulate with it is the second. So post articulate with pre of the third. And again one thing, this is the first vertebrate, it has a widest neural canal. As we go down in the vertebral column, the size of the neural canal becomes compressed, goes on compressing, goes on small, right? Atlas axis. Now 3, it is 7 in number. 3 to 7 are similar in structure, having same structure. So they are called as typical. C for cervical vertebrae. Why they are called typical? Because 3 to 7 they have almost similar structure. So C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Again neural canal, bifid neural spine, transverse process, which are the lateral projection for the attachment of the muscles. They have foramen. Neural spine is also for the attachment with the muscle, provide support. This is the centrum. This is also provide the support. It bears the body weight, right? Then we move to the thoracic. If it is last cervical, if it is 7, so come to its attachment process. Its pre-zygapophysis articulate with the post of 6 cervical, and its pre-articulate is post-articulate with the pre of first thoracic. First thoracic. Clear? Now I am moving to the thoracic vertebrae, where ribs are present. From the thoracic cave, they are 12 in number. So thoracic T1, T2, T3.